Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new eyeshadow palette to play with, a new brand to try for me. This is from Beauty Bay and this is the Dark Fantasy palette. I am super excited to play with this palette. I've heard great things about this brand and you saw me talk about it in my What's New in Makeup. And when I saw the pictures of this palette, I fell in love. I didn't want to buy what could potentially be a limited edition palette, so I went on the site and I tried to find something else and I went right back to this one. This is the one that I want. I love the colors in here. It's a 20 color palette. You've got just about everything. I see blues, I see purples, greens, neutral shades, grays, golds. This just is me in a palette. So I'm really hopeful that this is a formula that I enjoy and a brand that I like. It is a new journey for me. I also picked up an 8-piece eye brush set right here. How fun is that color? And this one was $12.25. Isn't that amazing? So I'm going to use these brushes today. Let's get into it. I'm going to do 2 eye looks for you so that we can get a good feel for the palette. I'm going to look like a crazy person and I'm okay with that. The tough part's going to be what colors do I go into. I don't see where these are numbered, so this is the first brush that I'm going to use, kind of flat and fluffy at the same time. My eyes are primed. I of course will list all of the makeup that I have in the description box below. But for this first eye look, I'm so drawn to the green. I'm going to go into these green colors and fun names. This one is called Plasma. This one is called Slime. So for a neutral transition, I think what I'll do is I'll go into this Algorithm first, which is just a nice brown shade. Okay, exactly what I'm looking for. I'm gonna go into the crease with this. Maybe bring it up a little bit higher because I definitely want to play with those greens. Wow, first impression, very nice. I'm going to use that same brush and I'm going to go into Slime. No, I'm going to use a smaller brush. This one is a little bit smaller and fluffier. And I'm going into Slime. Look at that one dip. Ooh, pretty. I'm going to deepen it just a little bit more. Nice, I like it. Now I'm going to go in with a flat brush and I'm going to go into this Plasma. I am tapping off my brushes. I do have my face makeup on, so I'm trying not to have too much fallout. Very pretty matte eye if you were looking for that. But you know I'm going to go into this Machine shade. And I'm going to put it a little bit more towards the outside. Oh my, that's really pretty. Very silky feeling. I love the texture. This is going really well. Very nice. And then maybe I'll go into, let's see, I'm stuck between Encrypted and Transmission. Let's look. Here is Encrypted. And here is Transmission. They are similar. think I'm gonna do Encrypted. This one feels a teensy bit drier than the Green Machine, but still gorgeous. Let's see, this is what I wanted from the Alter Ego, and it wasn't giving it to me. I really hope that the lights are not covering these gorgeous shimmers. Absolutely love it. Now there is a deeper green here called Spaced. Maybe I will deepen my outer corner with that one. This pencil brush seems a little bit too small. I'm going to switch over to my Essence Smoky Eyes brush, and I'm going to go into this Spaced. I'm really just going to stamp that on the outer corner and just blow it out the teensiest bit. Looks like we got a little bit of fallout. Ooh, I don't mind. I will fix it. This is the brush that I had that first green on the slime. Just blending. Then I'm going to go back into the very first brush with the algorithm on it. That was the brown. And go just above that because we want a nice blend of those three colors. So nice. Here's a little pencil brush, and I'm going to take algorithm. That's that pretty brown. Am I being tame today? Who am I? And I'm going to go in. I just love this shade of brown. It is like it's got a teensy bit of a yellow undertone to it. I don't know. I love it. Maybe I'm going to wipe that brush off, and I'm going to go into this Transmission, which was that brighter gold. And I'm going to put that in the inner corner. And then underneath just a little bit. Ooh. I'm going to fix the fallout, add some liner and mascara, and I'll be right back with completed look number one. This is completed look number one. I will fix the rest of my face makeup when I'm all set with the eye looks, but absolutely yes. I'm gonna take my Sephora brush cleaner and just clean off some of these brushes that I know will be used again. Looks like that green has stained some of the brushes, which is fine. Totally okay with me. It's gonna stay on my eyes too, right? Now for look number two. I want to incorporate this blue. So I'll go in with this Hoax shade and start with that in the crease. And I don't know, oh, almost went to the wrong eye. And I don't know how dark that is. Okay, so it's a little bit deeper than I was wanting. But that's okay, we'll make it work. I can also take a little bit of that white and go right over it. The white is called Atmosphere. So I like how I took that Hoax. Maybe it's a little more cooler tone because when I added that white, it made it almost into sort of a grayish color, which I like that for the blue that I'm going to go into. Before I get into this bright shimmering blue, I'm going to go into this more bluish purple color called Hardcore. And for that one, I think I'm going to go back into my Essence Smoky Eyes brush. This is Hardcore. It's really pretty. It's like a navy, but with a purple undertone to it. And don't worry about that. We're going to put shimmer right on top of it. Shadows are so pigmented that I don't seem to be having any bit of a hard time blending. Okay, now I'm going to go into Square, which is this bright blue that I've been dying to get into. Yes. That is stunning. I'm going to take that flat brush and add a little bit more. I just want to make sure that I get full opacity. That might be one of the prettiest colors. Oh my gosh, that's absolutely stunning. Love it. I'm gonna go with that hardcore shade. And blending. And then back in with that first one, which was the Hoax and Atmosphere mixed together. And just going over there. Just because I want to, we could go into this Grime or this Code, and I want to play with the Code. It's just 2 shades of silver. One is brighter than the other. Here is Code. I'm going to put that carefully in that inner corner. My goodness, I love it. For the bottom, let's mix these 2 shades again. I'm going to do that. Okay, liner and mascara, and I'll be right back with finished look number 2 and my final thoughts. I am back with completed look number 2. I think it is gorgeous. So let me know, which do you prefer? Look number 1, or do you prefer look number 2? I think they are both gorgeous. I can't wait to play with this palette some more. I mean, $18 for this palette, $12 for the eye brushes. I didn't even get to play with all of the shades. I mean, these purples look stunning. Look at that. So pretty. I can't believe I didn't get into the black. Here's Dark Water. Let me know in the comments what you have from Beauty Bay, if you love them, if you're thinking about trying them out. Affordable, great option. So very happy. 2 thumbs up for this palette. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I love to play with new makeup. I love to do fun eye looks. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the notification bell next to subscribe so you get notified every time I upload a new video, which is Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. Again, I will have everything listed and linked in the description box below, what I have on my face today, and of course this stunning palette and brush set from Beauty Bay. I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.